my name is Amrita. Welcome back to yet another travel vlog, and today's video is all about monsoon ride to Mauritius. So you have already seen in the beginning of this video that I have already started this journey from Kalyan to Mauritius at 6:45 am in the morning. Distance between Kalyan to Mauritius is around 90 kilometers. So approximately it takes 2 hours to reach there. So first of all, let me tell you, in the month of Jan 21, I have already made a video on Mauritius Ghat. So in this video, I am not going to cover the exact same location and point. So if you haven't seen that video yet, then I will mention that video's link in the I button and description box below. So after watching this video, don't forget to check that. Because of beautiful weather and scenery, monsoon is the perfect time to visit Mauritius Ghat. Tourists are seen at every other roadside corners of this ghat. Tall lush green mountains with waterfalls at every few kilometers adjacent to the road are the main attraction in the monsoon. You can see during the rainy season, visibility is very low due to dense cloud covering the plateau. So you have to make sure take a proper care while you are on ride here. Present the condition of the road is not good. One side of the road construction work is going on, so you may face the traffic here. Malshes Ghat is one of the only monsoon destination which has so many tall waterfalls and fauna and flora. So this make it perfect trekker paradise too. are planning trip to Malshes Ghat, my advice is please start your journey early in the morning. Because of the current scenario, Malshes Ghat is banned for the tourists, especially on the weekends. So if you start your journey early in the morning, you will not face any difficulties or issues. So this is the beautiful end of this Malshes vlog, and hope you like this video, and if you do, then please hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Also, you can comment down in below section and let me know if you have any feedbacks for me. And one more thing, if you are new on this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe me and hit the bell icon so you will get notifications of my upcoming videos. So that's it for today. I will see you guys super soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.